Hey guys, this is my yoga teacher training packing video. I'm showing you what I packed for my teacher training. I've always wanted to do one of these because they have really helped me whenever I was packing for my training. So as you see here, I've got two pairs of like beach pants on the side there, and I have one black dress in the middle, and then two pairs of jean cute shorts. I didn't pack too much for like going out in the town because I don't really plan on doing much of that. I have 4 pants or comfy shorts right there for my yoga-ing, and then 8 shirts for the shirting, you know, so I'm not naked and crap. Also, I realized I never showed you guys my underwear and my bralettes, but I have 7 pairs of underwear and 3 bralettes. This pooch is full of swimsuits, as you can see. I have 4 of them. And yeah, there I am, unfolding them all for your viewing pleasures. Wow, nice. I have a bunch of sunscreen because this bitch don't want to turn into a lobster. So I bought this mineral sunscreen. It's supposed to be really good for the earth. It's reef friendly, it's non-GMO, it's made out of minerals. I mean, heck yes. I use this stuff on my face. Been using this stuff on my face for a little while. I'll probably finish it on there, so there's not much left. Yep. So here are some other little toiletries. I've got my bamboo hairbrush for all my hair brushing needs. I've got some toothpaste, and this is a mineral-based toothpaste. Love that shit. I have my toothbrush and toothbrush holder where I can brush my teeth hairs. And oh, here is a little makeup round so I can wipe off makeup, my Diva cup, and some pads for when I am menstruating. Some little bags for jewelry to keep them separated, some headbands for when it's hot and sweaty, and I had some other things there I didn't show you guys, like my scrunchie and stuff like this. This is my altar bag. I created it on the full moon. It kind of came to me on the full moon to bring this, and it was really fun to make. So I have my sacred water, which is water I collect from places where I go. I have the little bell for east, for air, the bone for north, for earth, some sage from my garden, and this little airplane, so it is, you know, a little lucky token. I have some oil for anointing the things. There it be. Wow. And a little journal that I write things in that I want to manifest my intentions, and usually I burn it or bury it or let it dissolve in water. But yeah. And here I have some lotion. This is a solid shea butter, so it doesn't count for the liquids rule, so I can bring that whole thing, which is awesome. This is a little container for my extra big lens, my big boy lens, and that little container I got from my grandfather. I got this bag for all the studying of the yogas, and some charcoal for eating before meals so that I can keep the stomach bugs away. Here's my art journal. It's my little intuitive art journal called Anima. I've been working in this one a little bit, so I kind of want to put some more work into it and write like about my journey in here and do some drawings and stuff, so that's why I'm bringing that. And then this one is more for like the actual learning and note-taking and whatnot. I have a picture of my aura in here because, I mean, why not? Because I can. I'm going to decorate it, personalize it. Yep. Here's my little backpack or like purse thing. I like it because I can fit water into it. My water bottle goes right into it. I'm bringing some tea for the plane. You can bring tea for a plane and ask for hot water and then have free tea. This is a little yoga strap, so whenever we go to the beach with our yoga mats, I can take it. By the way, they're giving us yoga mats there, so that's awesome. Here is my little backpack, and I'm wearing that shirt there and be reading that book on the plane, so that's why that's out. This is a little purse that I'll be actually wearing too, and it's so tiny that they don't care that I wear it. I like to keep my phone, chapstick, passport, plane tickets in there so that they're really easy accessible. These are the shoes, and the only shoes I'll be bringing. I love these things. They're literally my favorite sandals. Wear them all the time. They're Chacos, and they are amazing. They're adventure sandals. My water bottle, they are going to be providing water down there for us, and I asked if I can bring a water bottle instead of like having to buy them. And yeah, they have a refillable tank, so all I have to do is fill up my water bottle, sleeping mask, and my makeup. So here's some of the makeup. I got a makeup brush that this little doggy, who I am currently sitting right now, wanted to eat. She's very cute. Some mascara, some blush, a little bit of powder, and some liquid stuffs and some other stuffs. And there's the stuffs. That's all the makeup I need. That's all the makeup I use. And here's other things that will be in that backpack. Yep. I got this spray online. It's supposed to be really good. I needed really good spray because the bugs down there are crazy. And it's vegan, so I'm happy. Got it online. Hope it works. We'll see. I'll let you know afterwards. This is a little toner spray. It's just witch hazel in there. That's my oil to take off my makeup. And this is some retinol for my wrinkles because I'm getting old. All right. This is the end of the video. It's a little rushed. Sorry about that, but this is all I have time for. So I hope that it helps you if you're doing yogurt teacher training, you know. And there should be some more videos coming out about it soon and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Check me out on Instagram, Celestial Witch and Celestial Yogi. Bye now!